this was my first 5 shots here.
Uh-huh.
And then my second 5 were
And this one right here,
this is Peterson.
Peterson.
First shot was here, second shot was here. Then I went, oh shit. Bang, ran up and down.
Phew. Good day at the range. Hey, we're moving up in the world, Pa. We got concrete now.
Got what?
We're standing on concrete now.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm going.
Lost nest up on that
Oh
peak
yeah.
up there. Yeah, it's too bad that zoom isn't better.
Yeah, I know. I mean, for what our intended purposes for this camera, it worked out pretty good. At least if it got hit with a bullet down range down there, I mean, we're only out of 20 or 30 bucks.
Yeah.
All right, folks, we thank y'all for stopping in today with us and having fun down here at the range. Y'all have a good day.